Good morning. It's Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. And the question for today is, tell me, what's the question? Should I include my LinkedIn URL on my resume or CV? Now, every time I answer a question, it seems like I'm answering yes, but if it fits, I'm going to say it. Yes, but. Here's the but. I think, well, first of all, let me say the yes. I think firms are going to check your background regardless. They're looking for congruence between what you say on your resume and what's on your LinkedIn profile. Why do they do this? Because people lie. They exaggerate one component of their background and minimize others, and suddenly you discover that this programmer, I'm using programmer as an example, who's applying for a job doing Java development, has been doing primarily C# or worse C programming for most of their career. In the last 6 months, they've been working in Java, and it shows on their LinkedIn profile. Again, an exaggerated example, but it is some of the things that you find here. You find dates that are different on the LinkedIn profile from what's on the resume. How stupid can you be? So understand that if you're going to put a URL, as you should, because it makes it more convenient for people, because they're going to look for you anyway, and better that they find you easily than someone else who looks or acts like you or has a similar background to you, and rejects the resume because their background just seems weird to them and they're confused. After all, you know, trust me, I've only done this for 40 some odd years. There are people with identical names working for the same large firm, and suddenly you discover something incongruent about the wrong person's background. So just make it easy for them. You know, you can put the link on not as the full link, but underneath your name, city, state, zip code. You don't have to put the address, just city, state, zip code. I've covered that in other videos. Phone number where you want to be called, put your mobile number there. Please don't put a home number where you're going to wait until you get home from work that night, forget to check messages, wait another day, and then get pissed off at the recruiters who, you know, are in your inbox and they've called once or maybe twice because you haven't gotten back to them. And it's your mistake, but you're pissed at them. Just put the LinkedIn profile in your resume. You can say, you know, LinkedIn profile, embed it, make it a live link, you know, embed the URL in whatever text you write on your resume so people can find you quickly. After all, the things that you do to inspire confidence by being smart about your presentation seem small, but they build on themselves like blocks or bricks in a building, and suddenly you have a very firm structure there. And firms love to see things. They love to talk to people who inspire confidence. They don't like to hesitate, because when they hesitate, you know, they pause for a second and normally go on to something else. So just make it easy. Put your LinkedIn URL underneath your name, city, state, zip code. Zip code in particular is important. Phone number that you want to be called at. Check your phone messages if it's on your mobile when you go to lunch or before the end of your workday. Respond to messages, you know, when you get them. Don't wait until you get home to write a message back with your time and availability. Just call. It'll take you 15, 20 minutes tops to have a quick chat with someone about your background. And I'll simply say, just do it. It will serve you well, and it doesn't take a lot of effort. Hope you found this helpful, and have a great day.